Welcome to Baya English.
Today, we will learn how to stop translating in your mind.
This lesson is for beginners.
We will use simple English.
We will use clear examples.
And we will practice with real situations.
Many learners have the same problem.
They know some English words.
They know some grammar rules.
But when they want to speak, they translate.
First, they think in their native language.
Then they translate the sentence into English.
Then they check the grammar.
Then they worry about pronunciation.
And finally, they speak very slowly.
Sometimes they do not speak at all.
So today, we want to make English easier.
We want to train your brain to think directly in English.
The first step is very simple.
Start with objects around you.
Look around your room.
What can you see?
Maybe you can see a table,
A chair,
a phone,
a door,
a window,
a bag,
a pen.
a book.
Do not translate these words.
Just look at the object and say the English word.
Table,
Chair,
phone,
door,
window,
bag,
pen.
book.
Very good. This is the beginning.
This looks simple, but it is powerful.
Because your brain creates a direct connection.
You see the object,
You say the English word.
no translation.
Object, English word.
Object, English word.
Now, let us make small sentences.
This is a table.
This is a chair.
This is my phone.
This is my bag.
This is my bag.
This is a book.
This is a pen.
This is my room.
This is my door. Simple sentences are very useful.
Yes, do not say, my English is too simple.
Simple English is clear English.
And clear English is good English. Now, let us practice with colors.
The table is brown.
The chair is black.
The phone is white.
The bag is blue.
The book is red.
The pen is black.
The door is white.
The window is big. Now, let us continue with actions.
Actions are very important.
Because every day you do many things.
You wake up.
You walk.
You eat.
You drink.
You drink.
You read.
You write.
You listen.
You speak.
You speak.
You work.
You study.
You sleep.
If you can describe your actions in English, you can practice all day.
Even if you are alone.
Exactly.
Let us start with the morning.
I wake up.
I get out of bed.
I brush my teeth.
I wash my face.
I take a shower.
I get dressed.
I prepare breakfast.
I drink water.
I drink water.
I drink coffee.
I check my phone.
I leave the house.
These are simple actions
But they are very useful.
because you do them almost every day. Now let us use the present continuous.
This is useful when you are doing something now.
I am waking up.
I am brushing my teeth.
I am washing my face.
I am drinking water.
I am preparing breakfast.
I am checking my phone.
I am leaving the house.
So I can describe my actions while I do them?
Yes, you can say them softly.
Or you can say them silently in your mind.
This is perfect for shy learners.
You do not need anyone.
You do not need a classroom.
You do not need a teacher.
You only need your daily life.
That makes practice very easy.
Now, let us practice actions at home.
I am opening the door.
I am closing the door.
I am sitting down.
I am standing up.
I am cleaning the table.
I am cooking dinner.
I am washing the dishes.
I am watching a video.
I am listening to English.
I am learning new words.
Good. Now let us practice outside.
I am walking.
I am waiting for the bus.
I am looking at the time.
I am crossing the street.
I am going to work.
I am going to school.
I am buying bread.
I am paying with cash.
I am paying by card.
I am going home.
Excellent.
These sentences are very practical.
Yes. Now, let us talk about useful phrases.
Phrases are very important for beginners,
Many learners study single words.
but single words are not always enough.
If you learn only the word hungry, you still need a sentence.
But if you learn, I am hungry, the sentence is ready.
Exactly.
Ready phrases help you speak faster.
Let us practice useful phrases for daily life.
I am hungry.
I am thirsty.
I am tired.
I am tired.
I am busy.
I am ready.
I am ready.
I am late.
I am learning English.
I am improving.
My English is simple.
But I can communicate.
This phrase is powerful.
Yes, my English is simple, but I can communicate.
Now let us practice asking for help.
Can you help me, please?
I have a question.
I do not understand.
Can you repeat that, please?
Can you speak slowly, please?
Can you write it down?
Can you show me?
Can you explain this?
I need more time.
I am not sure.
These phrases are very useful.
You can use them at school.
You can use them at work.
You can use them while traveling.
You can use them with a teacher.
You can use them with a friend.
Now let us practice a small conversation.
Okay, let us practice.
Hello, can you help me, please?
Of course. What do you need?
I do not understand this word.
No problem. The word means very good.
Can you repeat that, please?
Yes, it means very good.
Thank you. Can you write it down?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
This is a simple conversation.
But it is useful.
Now let us practice at a shop.
Hello, I would like to buy this, please.
Of course. Anything else?
No, thank you. How much is it?
It is $5.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
This is real English.
Yes, simple and real.
Now let us practice at a restaurant.
Hello, can I see the menu, please?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you. I would like chicken and rice, please.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, water, please.
Anything else?
No, thank you.
Now, let us practice small conversations in your mind.
This is one of the best techniques.
Because real speaking is conversation.
Someone asks a question.
You answer.
Someone gives information.
You react.
If you practice small conversations in your mind, you become faster.
You do not need to wait for a real person.
You can imagine simple situations.
Let us start with a coffee shop.
I like this example.
The worker says, "Hello, what would you like?"
You say, I would like a coffee, please.
The worker says, "Small or large?"
You say, large, please.
The worker says, "Anything else?"
You say, no, thank you.
The worker says, "Here you are."
You say, thank you.
Very easy.
Very practical.
Now, let us make it longer.
Hello, what would you like?
I would like a coffee and a sandwich, please.
What kind of sandwich would you like?
Chicken, please.
Would you like sugar in your coffee?
No, thank you.
Would you like milk?
Yes, a little milk, please.
Anything else?
No, that is all.
That will be $8.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Good. This is a useful conversation.
Now let us practice at a hotel.
Hello, how can I help you?
Hello, I have a reservation.
What is your name, please?
My name is Sarah.
May I see your passport?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Your room is ready.
Great. What time is breakfast?
Breakfast is from 7 to 10.
Thank you.
You are welcome. Enjoy your stay.
This is useful for travel.
Yes. Now, Let us practice asking for directions.
Excuse me, where is the nearest station?
The station is near the bank.
Is it far?
No, it is 5 minutes from here.
Can I walk there?
Yes, you can.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome. Now, a longer version.
Excuse me, I am looking for the nearest bus stop.
The bus stop is next to the supermarket.
Is it on the left or on the right?
It is on the right.
Do I need to cross the street?
Yes, cross the street, then turn right.
Thank you. I understand.
No problem. Notice something important.
The sentence.
Now, let us create a simple 7-day plan.
This plan is for beginners.
It is simple,
It is realistic.
and it does not take too much time.
You can practice for 5 to 10 minutes every day.
Day 1 is for objects.
Look around you and name 10 objects in English.
For example, table, chair, phone, door, window.
Bag, book, pen, clothes, shoes.
Then make 5 sentences.
This is my phone.
This is my bag.
This is a book.
These are my shoes.
This is my room.
Day 2 is for actions.
Describe what you do.
I am walking.
I am eating.
I am drinking water.
I am reading.
I am writing.
I am writing.
I am working.
I am working.
I am studying.
I am studying.
I am listening to English. Try to say 10 actions during the day. Day 3 is for feelings.
Say how you feel in English.
I am happy.
I am tired.
I am hungry.
I am hungry.
I am thirsty.
I am thirsty.
I am busy.
I am busy.
I am nervous.
I am relaxed.
I am ready. Then connect feelings with actions. I am tired, but I am studying. I am hungry, so I am eating. I am thirsty, so I am drinking water. I am nervous, but I can speak slowly. Day 4 is for useful phrases.
Learn 5 useful phrases.
Can you help me, please?
I do not understand.
Can you repeat that, please?
Can you speak slowly, please?
I need more time.
Repeat them many times.
Then make your own examples.
Can you help me with this word?
I do not understand this sentence.
Can you repeat your question, please?
Can you speak slowly? I am learning English.
I need more time to answer.
Day 5 is for small conversations.
Choose one situation.
A coffee shop,
A restaurant.
a hotel,
A shop.
a phone call.
Practice a short dialogue.
Hello, I would like a coffee, please.
Small or large.
Large, please.
Anything else?
No, thank you.
That is simple and useful.
Day 6 is for listening.
Listen to simple English.
Choose slow English.